Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two sports smartwatch in the market. On our left side, we have the IDW19 Smartwatch, and on our right side is the Zeblaze GTS Pro or GTS 3 Pro Smartwatch. Both do have a rectangular design and loaded with features, especially the Bluetooth call and sports function. So we will check on this wearable. We will compare the design as well as the menus and features offered in both wearables. So if you have any questions regarding these smartwatches, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, let's start. As you can see here, we have a very different approach in packaging. We have this one, the IDW19 Smartwatch. Very simple. We have some details here for its sports function as well as other features. And on our right side, we have the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. It is much more elegant when it comes to the box packaging. But we do have here some features and some specs for the wearable. Okay, so we will check on the design. We have here the IDW19 Smartwatch with a simple body frame, plastic body frame here, as well as the back cover. Okay, with a single push button, power on button on this side, circular power on button. Full touchscreen and with a slim black border. Okay, let's change this one to a lighter color so we can see the border here. So it's slim on left, right, but a bit thicker on the bottom part. But it is responsive for the screen display. It has a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin. We have here the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro with a much elegant design. PC body frame here with a metal bezel. Okay, the black border is very slim as you can see here. We have a power button on the side, circular power button. We have a flexible silicone strap. The same with the IDW19, it is using a pogo pin. Okay, let's just put this aside so we can focus on our smartwatch. Okay, for the screen display, this one is using a, I think, TFT or IPS LCD screen, while the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro do have a very good full color AMOLED screen display. So when it comes to the screen display, it goes to the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. Okay, premium AMOLED full touch screen display with good pixel resolution. Very good slim black border also. Okay, so on the side, let's see. As you can see here, the Zeblaze do have a much elegant design. So I like the design of the Zeblaze. It's much better looking compared to the IDW19 Smartwatch. Especially the screen display for our Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. Okay, so let's check on the menus and features of the wearable. But this one, the IDW19, before I forget, this is much lighter. Okay, for the settings here or the menus and features, on top we have the quick settings. The same with the IDW19, it also has the brightness adjustment for our Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. It's almost the same here as you can see. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. Okay, but I like the notification function of the IDW19 Smartwatch. It has a lot of support for different applications as you can see here. On the left side, we have the split screen. While for the IDW19, it's just a main feature for the smartwatch. The same on the right side. Okay, for the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, so we have this, the features, the main features. Okay. To access the main menu, all you have to do is just press the power button here. For the icons, I like the icon here of the IDW19 Smartwatch. It's much better compared to the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. So let's check. We have the Bluetooth phone call. There's Alexa support for the IDW19. We also have a voice assistant here. Supports Siri and a Google. You do have a workout, that is the sports function. Both do have a 100 plus sports function. Both do have a comprehensive list of sports. So let's check. Sports, workout, walking. Let's see. We have a walking here. Indoor run, outdoor walk. Let's see. So it monitors for the beats per minute, calories, and steps. Okay. It's much detailed here. Okay, I think for the IDW19. Stop. And okay. Anyway, still, both do have a comprehensive list of sports function. Come back. We have a heart rate. Let's check. Okay. So we have some graphs here, stats for the IDW19. We have sleep monitoring. There's no blood pressure for the IDW19, only blood oxygen monitoring. Weather, SpO2, music control. Okay, we also have a music control here. We have breathing guide, cycle tracking. We also have a breath training here. Female. Okay, almost the same features here as you can see. Music control. Music also here. Both do have a volume. But what I like about the IDW19, as you can see here, it has a title for the song. Okay, the Zeblaze do not have the title of the song, but it also has a volume adjustment. Okay, let's go here on the bottom part. There's a business card support. We don't have it here in the IDW19, I think. Watch faces, battery level. Okay, so seems like there's some more features available in the Zeblaze, except that it doesn't have a support for Alexa AI. Is there a calculator here in our IDW19? Let's see. Breathing guide, sleep monitoring, stress, workout records. Okay, so we don't have a calculator. It's missing. Here on top, let's see. Okay, so we don't have a calculator support. While in our Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, we do have a calendar and calculator. Nice. Menu options, we also have it here. Set time, QR code, battery, menu style. Do we have it here? Let's see. Breathing guide, clock. Stop clock, weather, cycle tracking, camera control, menu style, watch face, display, screen on time. No, we don't have it here. We only have a list style for the menu. Okay, so in terms of features, the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro is equipped with more features compared to the IDW19 Smartwatch. But there's no support for Alexa AI. If Alexa AI is very important to you and you have a lot of Alexa compatible devices, I guess the IDW19 is for you. And again, what I like about the IDW19 is the loaded or the support for the push notifications. Very stable, and it has support for a lot of applications. The Bluetooth call is also good. While for the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, it has a lot of features. We have calendar, calculator, business card, and very good design, as well as the screen, the AMOLED screen here. Very sharp so far. Okay, it's very elegant. Okay, it looks premium. So that's it for the comparison review of the design as well as the features for our IDW19 and our Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro smartwatch. So what's your pick? Please comment below. Bye!